Today was the start of the trial against the Trump Organization. It comes more than 3 years after Manhattan prosecutors started investigating former President Donald Trump.
All right, Fox 5's Antoine Lewis has more on what the company is being accused of and why the company's longtime chief financial officer is the state's star witness.
Attorneys for the Trump Organization make their way into the courtroom for jury selection on charges of criminal tax fraud and grand larceny. The organization, which is the holding company for former President Donald Trump's buildings, golf courses, and assets, is accused of helping top executives avoid income taxes by paying them with perks, including rent-free apartments and luxury cars. This, among other things, says prosecutors with the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, whom legal experts say will have the tougher job during the trial.
Well, there's always more pressure on the prosecutor because the defense doesn't have to be found innocent. They have to be found not guilty.
The prosecution's star witness is expected to be Alan Weisselberg, one of the former president's most trusted senior executives. This summer, Weisselberg pleaded guilty to taking over $1.7 million of untaxed perks from the company, part of a plea deal that includes up to 5 months in jail, $2 million in penalties, and testimony against his former colleagues, which is expected to be problematic for the defense.
Weisselberg is beyond a problem for the defense. He's a nightmare for the defense. He's one of the top 3 people in this corporate defendant, and he's testifying against them. This is everything you don't want when you're a corporation in defense of a criminal prosecution.
Trump is not expected to testify nor attend the trial. Nonetheless, some say finding 12 jurors and alternates who can be impartial and not prejudiced by the notoriety surrounding the case or its key figures could be a challenge for both sides.
They're going to get a jury, but I promise you that both the prosecution and the defense are going to think people should have been disqualified for cause, and the judge is going to say, no way, no how, not happening.
The Trump Organization has pleaded not guilty, but if convicted, it is looking at nearly $2 million in penalties, which would impact its future ability to secure loans. From Lower Manhattan, Antoine Lewis, Fox 5 News.